Welcome back to Health Tech Explorers channel. Today we will talk about medical digital twins, what they are, and why they matter. In medical science, the term digital twin is heard more and more, but it is often misused. Not every predictive AI model qualifies as a twin. A true digital twin is a far more powerful and specific concept, originally from engineering, now actively developing in medicine. History and origin. The term digital twin initially appeared in civil engineering in the 1990s, where virtual 3D models of buildings were created. In the 2000s, it became established in manufacturing as a product-related model for prediction and optimization. Later, NASA introduced the concept of a multi-physics, multi-scale, probabilistic simulator for servicing space objects. This is the essence of a true digital twin, mechanistic, based on laws and processes, and continuously synchronized with the real-world object. What is a medical digital twin? A medical digital twin is a mechanistic simulator of a disease, organ, or biological system, based not only on pattern matching but specifically on models of biological processes. It is continuously updated, receiving data from sensors, lab tests, ECGs, genomics, and medical history, and updating its state. It allows answering "what if" questions, how a patient will respond to therapy, how their condition will change after surgery, or what the prognosis is. Why it matters. It helps doctors trust AI decisions because the model is explainable and transparent. It shortens the time needed for treatment planning, hypothesis testing, and choosing optimal strategies. It enables real-time personalized medicine and reduces uncertainty. Applications of medical digital twins in clinics and research. Medical digital twins are dynamic virtual copies of a patient or their organs, enabling continuous monitoring of health, predicting disease progression, and simulating treatment effects in real time. Key application scenarios include personalized treatment of chronic diseases. Digital twins are particularly valuable for chronic conditions, such as type 2 diabetes, heart failure, and rheumatoid arthritis. Unlike traditional approaches with average protocols, a digital twin considers unique patient parameters, genetics, lifestyle, and metabolic indicators. For example, in diabetes, a twin predicts blood sugar fluctuations, allows simulation of responses to different insulin doses and diets, and alerts to hypoglycemia risks well before symptoms appear. Modeling and prediction in cardiovascular diseases. Virtual heart models analyze heart rhythm, blood pressure, drug effects, and the patient's psycho-emotional state. A digital twin can predict heart attack risk, adjust therapy, or simulate surgical outcomes. Projects like Philips HeartModel and FEops Heartguide platforms demonstrate successful application of such technologies, improving diagnostic accuracy and therapy individualization. Management of respiratory diseases. For chronic obstructive pulmonary disease or asthma, a digital twin integrates biomarker and environmental data, pollution levels, allergens, temperature, and humidity. This allows predicting exacerbations and recommending preventive measures, especially important for residents of large cities or environmentally challenged areas. Clinical pharmacology and drug development. Digital twins accelerate clinical trials by simulating body responses to drugs, reducing risks and experimental costs. A virtual patient or organ tests different dosages, combination therapy schemes, and possible side effects. For example, modeling drug metabolism for leukemia treatment helps predict optimal therapeutic ranges while minimizing toxicity. Education and training of professionals. Digital twins provide students and young doctors with interactive platforms to study complex biological processes and surgery. They help deepen understanding of body systems by simulating responses to interventions in a virtual environment. Healthcare optimization and diagnostics. Digital twins support healthcare systems in identifying bottlenecks and increasing efficiency in clinics and hospitals. Predictive analytics contribute to prevention and cost reduction, particularly for patients in remote areas. In summary, medical digital twins create a new paradigm in diagnosis and treatment, shifting from reactive care to adaptive, dynamic, proactive, and personalized medicine. They do not replace doctors, but serve as a powerful tool for making better informed and safer decisions. Current development stage and challenges. Artificial intelligence and computational biology have accelerated the creation of digital twins, weekly iterations instead of years. Challenges remain with data integration, standardization, compliance with laws, and ethics. New approaches are needed for model validation and trust. In conclusion, medical digital twins are not just a trendy term, but an innovative technology that can transform healthcare, making it more accurate, predictable, and personalized. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. See you next time.